Hey everyone, today we're not going to have any interruptions. What? Okay guys,
Remember the time?
we are going to our boat ran by babies.
Hey, I see a baby on the swing.
Why is this a wildlife? Is this normal to be inside of a green ocean? A monkey? Wait, there's another one! What's wrong with this? Oh, what are you doing?
The baby can fly.
Wait, I'm just realizing something. Why is this thing? This is an
I
arm.
found a spider baby.
It's Spider-Man!
Hey, I just noticed his diaper was falling off.
Why is everything missing body parts around here? So, we are going to check out what Robin!
It's okay. I don't know where else to put it.
You put it in. Where were you even holding the baby?
Like, yeah. Okay, you're off. I feel like I'm on top of the world. I see a pacifier, and I see two little legs.
I see baby.
Oh.
No, a baby's diaper's falling off.
This is our captain baby. Don't look down there.
This is Captain Baby.
No,
This is Captain Baby.
I love to see a boat in my